Hello everyone, welcome to online class of Modi Public School, Kota. Today we are going to discuss part 4 of chapter number 14, Geometry. In today's video we are going to discuss about polygons and triangles. Okay, let us first discuss what polygons are. Polygons. A polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segments. Okay, so a polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segments. Now what does this mean? ऐसा कोई भी प्लेन फिगर सिंपल हो, क्लोज्ड हो, जो ओनली लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर बना हो, then that will be known as a polygon. For example, here you can see it's a simple figure. What do we mean by simple figures? Simple figures are the ones which do not intersect itself. Means वो अपने आप से कहीं क्रॉस होकर नहीं निकलते, like this. Okay, this is not a simple figure because ये अपने आप से इसके क्या हो रही है, parts इसके एक दूसरे से गुजर रहे हैं. Okay, then it will not be a simple figure. Okay, these are not simple figure. This is simple and it is closed also. Is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because it is written that it is made up of line segments and this figure is not made up of line segments. So a simple closed figure that is made up of line segments like this triangle, okay, all these figures, these are polygons because these figures are made up of line segments. These are simple and these are closed. Clear? So whenever you will observe any figure which is made up of line segments and which is simple and closed, then it will be known as a polygon. Okay. Now, as you can see, these polygons may have different numbers of sides. Like here I have drawn a triangle earlier in my example. So it was having 3 sides. So similarly, we may have different polygons with different numbers of sides. Let us discuss their names. What do we call them? Okay. Here, number of sides, and here we will write their names. Okay. Suppose, can you imagine? Can we have a polygon with 2 sides? No, it is not possible. Why? Because if we will draw 2 lines, then it will not be closed. Okay, it will not be closed. So, a simplest, or we can say the smallest polygon is having 3 sides. The smallest polygon will have 3 sides. So, we will start from 3. Okay, 3. Because less than 3 will not be a polygon. Okay. Because that figure will not be closed. So, a 3-sided polygon's name is triangle. A 3-sided polygon's name is triangle. Now, 4-sided polygon's name is quadrilateral. Okay, whenever you will see a figure, a polygon which is having 4 sides, then its name will be a quadrilateral. Okay, it's common name you can say. Then a 5-sided polygon is called as pentagon. Okay, it's a pentagon. A 6-sided polygon is known as hexagon. Okay, a 6-sided polygon is known as a hexagon. Then here I am writing a 7-sided polygon is known as heptagon. Okay, it is known as heptagon. Now, here a 8-sided polygon is known as octagon. A 8-sided polygon is known as a octagon. Then a 9-sided polygon is known as nonagon. Okay, a 10-sided polygon is known as decan. So, what we have discussed so far? We have discussed about polygons, that a polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segments, and on the basis of number of sides we have different names for different polygons. Like a 3-sided polygon is known as a triangle, a 4-sided polygon is known as a quadrilateral, a 5-sided polygon is known as pentagon, a 6-sided polygon is known as hexagon, a 7-sided polygon is known as heptagon, an 8-sided polygon is known as octagon, a 9-sided polygon known as nonagon, and a 10-sided polygon is known as decan. We have more, but for our class we have to discuss this only. Okay, so this is about polygons. Now we will discuss about triangle. Okay, we will discuss about triangles now. Okay, what are triangles? So let us discuss about triangles now. Here now, as we all know that a triangle is a 3-sided polygon. Now we know now that 3-sided polygon is known as triangle. So what we will write here? A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon simply. Okay. So you all have observed triangles many a times in your previous classes also and in your daily life also. Yes, you have observed many things which are triangular in shape. So we are going to discuss about triangles. So now what triangles are? Triangle is a 3-sided polygon. Now we are going to discuss types of triangle. Okay, types of triangle. So here I am erasing this and we will discuss about triangle. So here I am writing triangle, or here kinds of triangle. So we can classify triangles on 2 bases. Okay, you all have observed triangle, you all know that it's a triangle. Yes. So here a triangle is having 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Yes, and it is having 3 angles, 1, 2, 3. So in triangle we have 2 things, means it is having sides and it is having angles. So we can classify triangles on 2 bases. Okay, so here on the basis of its sides. So the first classification is based on its sides, okay, and the second classification is based on its angle, on the basis of its angles. Okay. So what we are doing now, we have discussed that triangles are a simple is a 3-sided polygon. Okay, and in a triangle we have sides and angles. We are now discussing kinds of triangle. So triangles can be classified in 2 bases. Okay, what these 2 bases are? First is on the basis of its side and the second is on the basis of its angle. Okay, so let us start. If a triangle here Here I am not writing the complete spelling, I am writing in short, okay. If a triangle is having all three sides of same length, all three sides of equal length, then it is known as an equilateral triangle. You may get an idea with its name because it is having equal word. Equi word is there. So you can get an idea out of its name here that all the three sides of a triangle are equal, then it will be known as an equilateral triangle. Okay, here what happens? All three sides of same length. Okay, now if only two sides, because we know that three sides are there in a triangle, if all three are equal, then it will be known as equilateral. If two sides are equal and the third is of different length, then it will be known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Any two sides of same length. Any two sides of triangle will be of same length. Okay. We have one more. Because we are having three sides, so if all three are equal, then it will be known as equilateral. If two sides are equal, then it will be known as an isosceles triangle. If no sides are equal, then it will be known as scalene triangle. No side of same length. Okay. If all the sides are of different length, then it will be known as scalene triangle. So this was the classification which was based on the sides. Now let us discuss the classification which is based on its angles. Clear? So here, if here all the three angles, like here you can see in this triangle all the three angles are acute angle, then it will be known as an acute angled triangle. All three angles are acute. Okay, acute. Do you know what acute angles are? Acute angles we have discussed earlier, that acute angles are the angles which are less than 90 degree. So if a triangle is having all the three angles which are less than 90 degree, then it will be known as acute angled triangle. Okay. The next is, if any one angle is of right angle, then it will be known as right angled triangle. Any one angle is right angle. Okay, any one angle will be of 90 degree, because right angle is measure of right angle is 90 degree. So any one angle will be of 90 degree, and it will look like this, because and this is the symbol of 90 degree. So it's a right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle will look like this. Now the third one is obtuse angled triangle. Now what obtuse angled triangle is? Any one angle is obtuse angle. Okay, any one angle will be of obtuse angle, like this. Here this is obtuse. Okay, and you know what obtuse angle is? An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, but it is less than 180 degree. Okay, so on the basis of angles we have three types of triangles. Acute angle triangle if all the three angles are acute. Right angle triangle if any one angle is of 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle if any one angle is obtuse, which means greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. Okay. Also, one important thing is about triangle is that the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. The sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, no matter what kind of triangle is it. Okay, कैसा भी triangle हो, पर जब भी आप उसके तीनों angles को add करेंगे तो आपको उसका sum क्या मिलेगा, 180 degree. Okay, so we have discussed about polygons. Okay, types of polygons means on their names on the basis of their sides, and secondly we have discussed about triangles. Okay, ये triangles क्या होते हैं, types of triangle on the basis of sides and on the basis of its angle. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much everyone.